Hello students, good morning. Okay, today I am starting with a new chapter, multiplication. Okay, in second standard, if you remember, we had last chapter which was multiplication. Okay children, what is multiplication? Multiplication is also repetitive addition. Okay, so let us see the example and try to understand. See, in your textbook on page number 24, the children made a bunch of flowers to give to Tai, okay, on Teacher's Day. Tony, Sonu, Salma, John, Nandu each brought two flowers. Okay, there are 5 children who brought 2 flowers each. You can see 2 flowers each. So when you have when they brought two flowers each, they made a bunch. They tied it together. Okay. So how many flowers in total? Let us see. Tai said, lovely. What a big bunch of flowers and so pretty. How many flowers are there in it all together? Okay. Then Tony says, 2 flowers from each of 5 of us. Each of the 5 of us make a total of 10 flowers. So John is saying 2 flowers each from 5 of us, which means taking 2 5 times and adding them together. See, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. So 5 times if you do 2, if you do addition of 2 5 times. See, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 8, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 4, 6 plus 2, 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So Tai says, yes. So it can be written 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is written as 2 multiplied by 5. So that is 10. Is called the product of 2 and 5. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay children, and you can also write as 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Because see, there are 5 people. There are 5 children. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all of them had two flowers. See, 2 flowers. So, instead of writing 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, you can simply write 2 because all of them have 2 flowers. So, 2. And how many students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 2 5s are 10. So, multiplication is also known as repetitive addition. Now, there is another example. Let us see and try and understand. Okay. Basically, children, you all know tables. So, it becomes easy. Instead of doing addition, multiplications are easy. If you want to do bigger numbers or if you do big calculations. So, let us see. 4 lemons in each row. Okay, there are 2 rows. Okay. First row, second row. So, 4 lemons in each row and 2 such rows. So, twice 4 is 8 lemons. And twice 4 is taking 4 into 2 and adding them. You can simply add them also. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, that is 4 plus 4, 8. Or you can do simply what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, 4 And how many rows are there? 1 row, 2 rows. So you can do, that is 8. Whichever way it is correct. So it is called as group. This is first group. This is second group. Okay. How many lemons are there in one group? There are 4 lemons. Okay. 4 lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many lemons are there in the second group? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 2, because there are 2 groups. Okay. 2 rows. So the answer is 8. Then let us see Tony. 4 cucumbers in a row and 4 such rows. How many cucumbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the first row. This is the second row. This is the third row. This is the fourth row. You can take this way also, or you can take this way also. Whichever way you want. Now 4 times 4 rows. Okay. How many? 4 cucumbers in 4 rows. Each row had 4 cucumbers. And how many rows are there? 4 rows are there. So that is 16. See, then we have Salma with guavas. Okay. 4 guavas in a row and 3 such rows. Now there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 guavas in each row. And how many rows are there? 3 rows. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. Or you can see 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 12. Both are same, but now we are learning multiplication. Okay, children? Now see, John. 4 mangoes in a row and 10 such rows. एक रो में 4 मैंगो है, 4 मैंगोज है. और कितने रोज है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. रोज मतलब कितने मैंगोज के लाइन्स है. सो देर आर 10 लाइन्स. ओके. सो 4 tens are 40. These are simple multiplication, but you should be able to group them. Okay. And multiplication is also repetitive addition, or repetitive addition is also multiplication, whichever way you want to say. Now see, Tony has 3 balls, Sonu has 3 balls, Nandu has 3 balls, Salma has 3 balls. Okay, so there are, if each of them has 3 balls, how many balls altogether? You can write 3 plus 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 plus is equal to 12. Okay, which is given. Or you can write, how many children are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 children, and each of them had how many balls? 3 balls. 4 threes are 12. So 4 threes are 12. Similarly, in the same way, fill in the boxes in the example below. Okay, this is a small bowl. You can see. Okay, each bowl had 6 mangoes in each basket. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus, so this is 6, 6, 6. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to how many children? 18. 18 times. Sorry. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to dash times 3. See. 3 times 6. In other words, 3 6 are 18. How many? Each basket had 6 mangoes. So if 6 plus 6 is equal to 12, 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 3 times. How many baskets are there? This is the first basket, this is the second basket, this is the third basket. So there are 3 times 6. In other words, 6 threes are 18. Now let us see. Children are standing in 7 groups of 3 children each. How many children are there altogether? So there are, see, for example, there are, I'm showing you, wait, let me show you. I'm showing it here. So there are 7 groups and 3 children in each group. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. How many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So there are 7 groups and each group had 3 children. Okay? How many children are there altogether? 7 times 3. 3 sevens are. How much is 3 sevens are, children? 3 sevens are 21. Or 3 into 7 is 21. Okay? If you don't understand, you should try and do all this, or you can solve in the rough column. This I have. You can do addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Or you can see 7 plus 3 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 is equal to 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3. What is 9 plus 3? 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 3 18. 18 plus 3 21. See. But this is a long method. Which is the easier method? Multiplication. 3 children in each group. There are 7 groups. So 3 sevens are 21. As I told you, children, look at the picture and prepare an example like the one given below. So you can see in this picture there is a bundle of sugarcane. These are the bundles of sugarcane. Okay, so let us form a question from this. So there are 10 sugarcanes in one bundle. So how many sugarcanes are there in 4 bundles? So you can see there are 4 bundles, no? In one bundle, if there are 10 sugarcanes. Okay, so each bundle had 10 sugarcanes. How many sugarcanes? 10 sugarcanes. How many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 4 tens are 40. So how you will write, children? How you are going to write? See. There are 10 sugarcanes in one bundle. How many sugarcanes are there in 4 bundles? 4 times 10 and 10 fours is equal to 40. 10 fours are 40. Okay, children? In one bundle, see there is this bundle. Okay, this is a bundle. There are 10 sugarcane. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. Right, children? Now, what is the multiplication method? 10 sugarcane in one bundle. And how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 fours are 40. So how you will write? You will write this way. 4 times 10. 10 fours are 10 fours 40. 10 fours are 40. Okay. One notebook cost rupees 5. How much will be 9 such notebook cost? An addition of 5 taken 9 times means 5 nines are. 5 nines are is 45. Hence the cost of 9 notebook is 45. You can see. See, 5, if you will write 9 times, one notebook costs 5 rupees. So 9 notebook cost is 45. But this is such a long method. Simple is what? You write 5 rupees, the price of one notebook, and how many notebooks were there? 9 notebooks. So 5 nines are 45. Hence, the cost of 9 notebook is 45. Tables are nothing but series of multiplication. Later on, we shall use tables to carry out multiplication of large numbers. Let us recite. So, I want you all children to write tables 2 to 10 tables one time in your maths long book. This is a homework, okay? Homework. Now let us solve this sum, okay? See, in the form of this is on page number 26 in your maths textbook. 2 plus, see they have given already. See, group of 2 flowers. How many flowers are there? 2 flowers in each block. Okay? Each block has 2 flowers. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now as an addition, they are trying to show you 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 5 times or 5 twos are is 10. Okay children? Now here see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many caps are there in a block? There are 5 caps, okay? Here also 5 caps. How many blocks are there? Only 2. So see, 5 plus 5, okay? And what you will write here? 5 twice. 5, how many times? 2 times. 5 twice, which is 5 twos are. What is the answer? 10. Okay? Then you see the third sum. Let us first count how many colors are there in one block. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 colors in each block. So let us count. First block 3 color. Second block 3 color. Fourth block 3 color. Third block 3 color. Fourth block 3 color. Fifth block 3 color. Okay. So 3 5 times. 3 5s are 15. Right children? Then you see here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Now 10. How many blocks are there? 1, 2. So each block had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10. How much it is, children? Or 10 3 times. 10 3 times is equal to 30. Now पहले हम लोग ने उसका प्लस करके दिखाया, फिर उसको ऐसे वर्ड्स में ऑलरेडी यहाँ लिख के दिया है, फिर 10 3s are 30. Now let us count the gawa. How many? 1 2 3 4. So there are 4 gawas in the first block. Second block में कितना है? 4. Third block how many? 4. Fourth block how many? 4. Fifth block how many? 4. Sixth block how many? 4. So total how many? Then 4, if you do addition, this is the addition form. Now see, 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. Now let us see. Whenever you have this type of a bunch, it means 10. It means 10, okay? So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, because there are 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now ten 6 times. जो नंबर होगा वो लिखना है 10 and then 6 times, because 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is 10 6 times, which is 60. Okay children, I am